Bro, why is holding in a cough during class literally the hardest boss fight in existence? Like the second the room gets quiet, my throat's like, hey, what if we combust? I'm sitting there turning into a whole Pixar character. Eyes watering, face red, trying to swallow air like it's medicine. The teacher's reading peacefully, and I'm in the corner performing CPR on myself. Every swallow makes it worse. Every breath is a gamble. I'm kicking my leg like that's gonna fix my lungs. I'm praying to any deity available like, please, not now. I'll be good. Then I let out one tiny cough, just one, and the entire class snaps their heads at me like I just summoned a virus DLC pack. Bro, I'm not sick. I'm not dying. I'm just allergic to silence.